नमस्ते। आज जब सारी दुनिया ने, आम आदमी को तो छोड़िए, महाशक्तियों ने भी कोरोना वायरस डिजीज के सामने घुटने टेक दिए हैं, तो ये जानना लाजमी हो जाता है कि ये मास्क आखिर है क्या जिसके पीछे सारी दुनिया ने अपना मुंह छिपा लिया है। तो आइए आज आपको बताती हूँ कि इस मास्क का इतिहास क्या है। लेकिन दोस्तों, उससे पहले अगर आपने मेरा चैनल लाइक और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी मेरा चैनल लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करिए और फिर जानते हैं कि इस मास्क का इतिहास क्या है। चाहे कुछ भी कहिए, नकाब, हिजाब, पर्दा, मुखौटा, मुंह पट्टी या मास्क, ये है बड़ा ही ताकतवर। शायरों ने भी इस पर अपनी कलम आजमाने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी है। किसी ने कहा, रुख से पर्दा हटा लीजिए जाने हुजूर, आज दिल को तबाह हो जाने दीजिए। तो किसी ने कहा, रुख से नकाब हटा लो जाने हया, एक बार तो जलवा दिखा दो जाने हया। जवाब देने वालों ने भी कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी और कहा, उनसे नजरें मिली और हिजाब आ गया, जिंदगी में एक हसीन इनकलाब आ गया। ये तो बात रही शायरों की। आइए बताती हूँ आपको मास्क का इतिहास क्या है। आज सारी दुनिया ने वायरस से बचने के लिए मास्क पहना है, लेकिन क्या आप जानते हैं कि एक धर्म ऐसा भी है जो इस वायरस को बचाने के लिए मुंह पट्टी पहनता है। श्वेतांबर जैन धर्म में महाव्रत पालन करने वाले साधु महाराज इसलिए हमेशा मुंह पट्टी पहनते हैं कि श्वास के साथ कोई माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म अंदर जाकर अपनी जान न गंवा बैठे, और हमेशा ये संदेश देते हैं, जियो और जीने दो। Wearing mask is a common human practice across the world. Masks are worn for protection, for hunting, for sports, for feasts, sometimes in wars or maybe for ornamentation. Some ceremonial and decorative masks were designed not to be worn. The word mask appeared in English in 1530s from Middle French masque, meaning covering to hide or guard the face, which in turn derived from Italian maschera. Although the word has uncertain origin, maybe from Arabian mascara, but one German scholar claims that this word has derived from Spanish masclecate, which means more than a face.
This stone mask from pre-ceramic Neolithic period dates to 7000 BC and is probably the oldest mask in the world. The Carnival of Venice, in which all are equal behind their masks, dates back to 1268 AD. In many dramatic traditions, including the theatre of ancient Greece, the classical Noh drama of Japan, the traditional Lamu drama of Tibet, Talcham in Korea, and the Topeng dance of Indonesia, masks are typically worn by all the performers, with several different types of masks used for different types of character. In parts of Australia, giant totem masks cover the body. There are a wide variety of masks used in Africa. In West Africa, masks are used in masquerades that form part of religious ceremonies enacted to communicate with spirits and ancestors. The Senefo people of the Ivory Coast represent tranquility by making masks with eyes half shut and lines drawn near the mouth. Chinese dragon masks are very popular. Shaigong dance masks were used in shamanic rituals to thank the gods, while Nuo dance masks protected from bad spirits. The No mask is the supreme achievement of Japanese mask making. No masks represent gods, men, women, madmen and devils, and each category has many subdivisions. In August 2004, the Bulgarian archaeologist Georgi Kitov discovered a 673-gram gold mask in the burial mound. It's a very fine piece of workmanship made out of massive 23-carat gold, now kept in the National Archaeological Museum in Sofia. Masks are sometimes used to avoid recognition. As a disguise, the mask acts as a form of protection for the wearer who wishes to assume a role or task without being identified by others. While the niqab usually shows membership of some Islamic community, beak masks containing herbs in the beak were worn in early modern Europe by plague doctors to try to ward off the Black Death. Full face diving mask as part of self-contained breathing apparatus for drivers and others. Some let the wearer talk to others through a built-in communication device. Gas mask is worn on the face to protect the body from airborne pollutants and toxic materials. Oxygen masks worn by high altitude pilots are used in medicine to deliver oxygen. Welding mask to protect the welder's face and eyes from the brightness and sparks created during welding masks. Wrestling masks are used most widely in Mexican and Japanese wrestling. A wrestler's mask is usually related to a wrestler's persona. For example, a wrestler known as the Panda might wear a mask with a panda's facial marking. Masks have been used in many horror films to conceal the identities of the killer, like Ghostface of the Scream series and Michael Myers of the Halloween series. A shameful mask is derived for public humiliation, a popular reduced form of donkey's ears for a bad pupil or student. A death mask is a mask either cast from or applied to the face of a recently deceased person. A life mask is a plaster cast of a face used as a model for making a painting or sculpture. Password masking is that familiar practice of hiding the password characters as entered by the user behind bullets or asterisks. The idea behind masking is to prevent nearby observers reading the password. Kathakali is a major form of classical Indian dance. It is a story play genre of art, but one distinguished by the elaborately colorful makeup, costume, and face masks.
These characters, usually divinities, are the central feature of Indian dramatic styles, mainly focused on Ramayana and Mahabharata. The countries which have a strong Indian cultural influence like Cambodia, Thailand, Burma and Laos have come up with the same Indian forms combined with the local myths and have presented a very distinctive style. The countries of Java and Bali, there the grouped mass dance are usually known as Topeng, which are also focused on Indian classical dramas, Ramayana and Mahabharata. Dear friends, if you have liked the video, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share the video so that I can keep coming with other videos to you very soon.